this how to 1 minute will show you how to add background color to any section on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on online store and click on customize, and here search for the section where you want to add a new color or background. So I want to change this features product section color, so I'm selecting this section and here scroll down to this left hand menu and search for color scheme. So click on change, and from this drop down you can select a different color for the section. And to use a custom color, click on this edit icon and here click on background, and now you can select a custom color for your section. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.